Here we go. Eyes down. Give it that bit of leeway leisure. And there you are. I'm telling you, that is on there. So then when it comes to your feeding it through, it should go through there quite nicely, boss. That's a bit of white. This is a bit of black. Now the thing of doing this is you want this one white wetter than black. Okay, so we'll have a go in it, because I'm going to use the black to push the white in. Once it's in there, give it a bit of rock and roll. And then you should get something like that. Alright, and I can snap it because I'm pretty strong. It's that to get it together, you know what I mean? Oh, that's not going to work. Well, it did, but it don't look. Alright, you got that big bundle of snotty nose on there. Been a bit of a twat, huh? Oh, my love, my darling, I'm in love for your touch, a long, lonely time. A little bit of this and a little bit of that. This is the tube what came with the hot end. It's got that stuff inside, whatever you call it. You know, the same as the tube, it don't melt. Why is that getting stuck in the middle then, boss? Oh, you got a blob on the side, it's nothing, no, it's by there. So yeah, we can do that, for you. Stay there. Just happens I got a little tool here. Let's just scrape that off a bit. There it come off. There was a bit of snot on the doodler. So let's try that. White goes in. Black goes in. Still don't come through. Oh, he snapped it like. Okay. Perhaps we can have black going into white. Shut up, phone. Can't you see I'm busy? Eighth. Get the eighth hot. Get the half-inch ready. And when you're ready, push the in there. That didn't work. I think we got it myself. I think we can do that. I think you just want to open this end up slightly, you know, funnel it slightly a bit. I don't see the point they cut it in a diagonally, whatever. My ebony ivory, it's again perfect harmony. Side by side on my piano keyboard. I'll be copyright now. Right, shut off. Go back to bed. We finished.